ناول کے 10 منتخب اقتباسات۔
1. A child is not a vase to be filled, but a fire to be lit. 2. Everything comes in time to those who can wait. 3. Keep running after a dog and he will never bite you. 4. One falls to the ground in trying to sit on 2 stools. 5. Debts and lies are generally mixed together. 6. No clock is more regular than the belly. 7. You have no obligation under the sun other than to discover your real needs, to fulfill them, and to rejoice in doing so. 8. There are more fools than wise men in all societies, and the larger party always gains the upper hand. 9. I'd rather write about laughing than crying, for laughter makes men human and courageous. 10. Languages exist by arbitrary institutions and conventions among peoples. Words, as the dialecticians tell us, do not signify naturally, but at our pleasure.
अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आई हो तो वीडियो को लाइक और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब ज़रूर कीजिएगा। इस इनायत पर हम आपके बेहद ममनून होंगे।